If you want to make your hair by yourself on your head, it's more difficult. You know, everything you do is on your head by yourself. Like when you want to tie your gele on your head, it's more difficult. If you want to braid your hair or twist your hair by yourself, it's more difficult. But what I normally do, I do the easy one. That is why I always say the easy one. We have different type of braids, we have different type of gele. Like this my shine, I teach how you can do for people. I teach how you can do on yourself, on your head by yourself. So, but if you want to do anything on yourself by yourself, don't just go for the hard one, the difficult one. Go for the easy one. Always go for the easy one. God bless you. Don't say it's not easy. It's going to be easy when you get started. Go for the easy one. Always go for the easy one. Like me, I always go for the easy one. If you want to plait your hair by yourself, braid your hair by, do the big one. Don't go for the tiny one. Don't go for the smaller one. It's going to be more difficult if you do the smaller one. Take more hours. Like me, this one is going to take me just 3 hours. 3 hours. I don't want to go live so that you can calculate it, but I always do my braid 3 hours because I go for the easy one, simple one. What is simple one? The big one. Yes, I'm going to do the big one. We have different. Yes, thank you guys for your patience. This is the final look. Yes guys, I am set to go. Thank you. Yes, I encourage you. Yes, this hairstyle, as you just this hairstyle, the least they will take from you, they will collect from you from the salon, the list is 70 pounds. You know, maybe that person is your friend. 70 pounds, 70. So try, you can do it. If you cannot do the tiny one, go for the big one. You can do it. Thank you. See you on my next video. I have decided to use my face to continue the makeup class. You know, we end in episode 2, so I'm going to continue with my face. The next episode is how to draw perfect bra. So since I can't get a model, not that I don't have customers, but my customers, they're always in a hurry. They cannot give me their face to start explaining because they are in a hurry. Guys, I'm going to use my face to do the next episode. I will use my face to continue. Then maybe along the line, if I see model, then I will use her. But for now, let's go. I want to use my face. Yes, what do you think? Drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you. Bye. 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 Bye.